Hello everyone, and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to work smarter, not harder, by creating new content efficiently and leveraging the power of Fusioo's AI features. We'll break it down into these key steps: brainstorming new topic ideas, jump-starting your research process, crafting and refining your content, and streamlining your workflow. Let's start by brainstorming new topic ideas. The first step is to ensure your ideas are organized and don't slip through the cracks. To achieve this, I'll create a new app called Content Ideas. Fusioo's Builder Assistant makes things easier by automatically suggesting fields. For now, I'll just select the topic field and create the app. Now, whenever I have a new topic idea, I can quickly add a new record and save it in one place. If I'm unsure what to write about, I can turn to Fusioo's Record Assistant for inspiration. For instance, if I'm thinking of creating content about cats, I can ask the AI to suggest some relevant topics. If the suggestions don't quite hit the mark, you can always tweak and refine your prompt until you find something more fitting. These are, for example, closer to what I'm interested in. Let's use the topic of cats versus dogs for this tutorial. Now that we have a topic we want to work on, next up is doing the research and coming up with the talking points we want to include. Which brings us to the second step, jump-starting your research process. For this, we can also once again use AI. We can either use the Record Assistant and repeat the same prompts for each new topic idea that we come up with, or, as we'll be doing in this example, we can update the app and set up new fields that get auto-filled by AI whenever a new topic is created. So let's go to the app settings and click on Fields. For this example, I'm going to focus on setting up the AI to help me create YouTube videos, but you can also use the same concept to help you write blog posts, LinkedIn posts, and so on. The first field I'll add is for the video's talking points. I'm going to open up its settings, enable AI autofill, and select Custom Prompt. I'll ask AI to generate talking points for a YouTube video based on title. Finally, I'm going to set the field to automatically update whenever the title is changed. Now, whenever we create a new topic idea, AI will automatically suggest some talking points we can include in our content. But we can take it a step further by also asking AI to generate other things such as a sample transcript. And as a prompt, I'll ask AI to write a transcript about the title I enter and to also take into consideration the talking points from the previous field. I'll also add another field for the video title and ask AI to generate 5 engaging title suggestions for the video and to take into consideration high-ranking keywords. You can continue adding fields to cover additional aspects of your video, such as the video description and tags. To streamline the creation of other content like blog posts, you can keep adding fields and customize their prompts. Now with the app fully configured, we can save our changes and give it a try. We can start by creating a new topic idea and entering the same topic we used earlier to see what happens this time. Let's give AI a moment to process the request. And there it is. Let's take a look at the results. AI has generated the starting point for our YouTube video, including a couple of talking points, transcript, title examples, video descriptions, and even a list of tags that we can potentially choose from. Once our initial research is done, then we can start writing the content. Which leads us into our third step, crafting and refining your content. For this, I'm going to create another app and name it Content. From the suggested fields, I'm going to keep the title, description, author, and the app connection to the first app we created. Once the app is created, I'm going to go ahead and add the remaining fields that I want to include in the app. I'll add a field for the video transcript and another field for the video tags. Let's save the changes and start working on the content. I'm going to open the topic and click on Create New Content. You can now use the research already done by AI to jumpstart the process of creating your content. For instance, if I need a title for my video, I can scroll down to the title field and choose one that I like. For this tutorial, let's select this title and paste it into our content record. As you write your content, you can once again use the Record Assistant. It's a useful tool for checking grammar or asking AI to create alternate versions of a specific title. You can repeat this process for the remaining fields until your transcript is complete and ready for the next stage. This leads us to the final topic we'll be covering in this tutorial: streamlining your workflow. When working on content creation, especially as part of a team, you'll often have multiple projects at various stages of completion. To make our process more efficient, let's make a few minor adjustments to our content app. We already have the author field, which helps us keep track of who is responsible for each piece of content. The next field I'll add is the status field, which will allow us to monitor the progress of each project. For options, I'm going to include planned, scripting, production, pending review, ready for publication, and published. Let's also assign colors to them for a more visually appealing layout. Since this app can be extended to create other types of content such as blog posts, LinkedIn posts, and more, I'll add another select field to track the type of content being created. Options like YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter or X, and blog post. Now, by leveraging the Kanban board, you can efficiently monitor all ongoing projects as they are added and seamlessly progress through each stage of the workflow. That wraps up the 4 topics I wanted to cover in this video. Remember, you can expand this approach to other types of content by adding additional fields and experimenting with different AI prompts. I hope you found this video helpful and that it makes your workflow faster and more efficient. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.